What's going on, gals and guys? My name is Ryan, back with you for another smart video. Today we are also on video number 5 of our Govee smart home products. Again, Govee is widely known for their vast various LED products that they have, a very good reputation, very well built products, and they also have smart home products, which is what we're going over. So far, 1 through 4, just real quick, we covered the smart indoor outdoor thermohygrometer. Video number 2 was the water leak sensors. Number 3 was the smart air quality monitor, and number 4 was the smart air purifier, which brings us to today, which is video number 5, again like I said, and that is the Govee smart heater. Just a little portable heater that they have. This is the box that it comes in, just for reference. This is their basic card that they give out in the plastic pamphlet with the, with the instruction booklet that they give you. And that's basically everything in the box besides the device, obviously, which I have right here waiting for us. So we'll go down, we'll check that out. We'll get on the app, we'll go over some of the features. This is another product of theirs. If you remember in the last video with the air purifier, that links with the air quality monitor. This heater actually also links with what was video number 1, the Govee Smart Indoor Outdoor Thermohygrometer. So these two link, we'll go over that in the app. We'll get it all linked, show you the features, and check out this bad boy, see if it's something for you. By the way, there is also 3 different versions of this. There's 2 different models. This one that we're doing, which is the H7130, then this one also comes in black. So it comes in white and black. We're looking at the white today. And then there is the model, which is the H7131. That one only comes in the black. So there's 2 models, 3 different versions, which I will throw up right now just so you can see their specs. By the way, the one that we're looking at today in white and black is $99.99, but again, with their Govee products and their clip coupons on Amazon, there is a $20 clip coupon with that one that you're looking at right now in the white and the black. And then the next one, the 7131, you'll see that in black. That one is typically $74.99. Looks like they have it on sale for $63.74. That one's just a little bit smaller than the one we're looking at today. So I would assume that it doesn't specifically say in the basic specs that you're seeing that the one that we're looking at today heats a larger area, but I believe it does just by comparing the size of the 2 units. That's the basic difference. And then the RGB light on the other one, that is a nice feature on that this one does not have. Anyway, so let's shimmy on down to it and check it out, see what we got for features. All right, so here is the actual unit itself. On top, we have the controls, our little touch panel with just 3 buttons, pretty basic on the actual unit. The button on the left-hand side of it over here, if you actually press it while it's on, it does just change the speed from 1, 2, 3. In order to turn it off, you actually have to hold it down to turn it off. To turn it on, you do just have to press it. This button here is the oscillating button. If you just tap it, it will stop the oscillating. If you hold it, it will actually lock it. That way nothing can be done while touched until you actually hold it down again. And for this button on the very right, that's the timer. You can have 1, 2, 4, 8 on the actual unit. There are a lot more options on the app, which we'll get to in a second. This also does work with Amazon AWord and Google, so you can do a couple voice commands with it. Alexa, turn off the living room heater.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the living room heater.
Okay.
Alexa, set the living room heater to medium.
Okay.
And those are just a few of the voice, actually I think those are all of the voice commands you can do with it. But now, let's go ahead and throw up the app right now on the left-hand side of the screen. All right, so we got the heater there on the right, and we have the app up on the left. So what we would do first is we would open the Govee app you get in the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, download that, and we would go into search, and this one is the H7130. Click on that. If you have the other one, H7131, it would pop up in the upper right, and your device is right there. I already had mine installed though and moved mine around to down here. So now we have the smart heater app, and as you can see on the left there real quick, you see where it says 64 degrees, 26 humidity? That is because we linked, and we'll get this highlighted here in a minute, but see there where it says indoor thermometer? We linked our indoor thermometer. If you remember from video number 1, our Govee Smart Indoor Outdoor Thermohygrometer, that is actually linked with our heater. That's why you can get that temperature and humidity over there. And then also if you go there into settings, you see right there where it says show dew point and VPD. If you want to know the definition of those, check video 1 also, I go over that. But you can turn that off. You can see you just lose the dew point and VPD, or leave it on if you'd like. This is where you also would name your heater, your Wi-Fi settings, your A-word and Google Assistant, and just your firmware, hardware, so on and so forth there in the settings. Back here in the app, we have obviously the heater functions. If we go ahead and turn it on, you can see it turned on there on the unit. From the app, you can see we have high, low, medium. We can oscillate it. We can also lock it so none of the buttons on the unit will work. Basically a safety feature for children. And then here is the thermostat mode. This is a really nice feature. If we have it on, as we do, we can set it. This does only work, by the way, if we have that indoor thermometer linked. It would pop up right there. There would be a little box right there. You would check mark, link it, and now we would have this thermostat mode. So if you watch it, let's set it at 63 degrees. It actually turns it off because it went over that target temperature. And we have auto stop on. If we left auto stop off, that would keep it on at a lower speed, at the bottom speed. That would still keep it just like that, as you saw it switch over to speed 1. So that is that, and then you can do things like scheduling, turn it on and off at certain times, a timer for how long you want it to stay on. So we could have it on for 20 hours and 7 minutes if we wanted. And then a do not disturb mode. In do not disturb mode, the prompt sounds and indicator lights. So basically all those noises you heard when we were just switching the speed and turning it on and off, those would not sound. And that basically does it for that. Like I said, another nice feature when you link it with the indoor outdoor thermohygrometer, you can set those temperatures, and when the room is at a certain level, it'll turn it on and off. That's a very nice feature, especially with the auto stop, so it would turn off. And that basically covers the app there. You saw it here first, the Govee Smart Heater. That is video number 5 of our Govee Smart Home devices. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop them down below. Questions, comments, as well as like, as subscribe, if you would, please. That'll cover it for video number 5. Video number 6, we'll move on to the Govee Smart Dehumidifier and Humidifier, which we will cover in 6 and 7 for our smart home devices. We'll get on to those next. As for now, that'll do it for today. As always, guys, I really do appreciate you. Until next time, peace.